In this video, we will learn how to move row in Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. I have here simple data, employee name and department. Here I want to move this row 9 number data in between 3 and 4. So normally here I add the one row. Then I copy paste this 9 number row data in between 3 and 4. 5. I added here, therefore is 4 taken, and after that 5. So I add here data and then I delete this row. Okay, this is a way you add data. Okay, I'm showing you here the simple trick. First select the data, those you want to move up and move down, then press the shift key, then press the mouse right side button on the line of cell. So I just press and use the scroll with, okay, I just press the first mouse button and use the scroll button. So when I scroll up here, you see one line is showing. So I want to set here data 3 and 4 row between. So I just remove the button. Okay, that's it. Here you see the data is added. So this is a way you can move the row in Excel sheet. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.